Viewers, welcome to a new video. In this video we have to draw the net of this. We can see that net of this triangular prism, right? This is triangular prism. We have to draw its net on 1 centimeter square grid. Means that 1 centimeter is represented by each box in the grid. We have to draw 3 rectangles here of 4, 2. Okay, let us begin from one corner, right? So 4 from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 2, 4 by 2. This one rectangle. The other rectangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, and of the width 2. This again we have to draw the third rectangle. There are three rectangles we can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2. So these are 3 rectangles which we have drawn. We have to draw 2 triangles now, right? So from here to join this and to join here, we have to draw, this is in the middle, right? So from here to this is one triangle, and similarly we will draw one triangle on lower side. So viewers, you can see that this is the net ready. So if we close it, we will get the shape like that. If we close, you know that we fold this figure 1 and 2. We fold, figure 3 remains there, and then we fold 4 and 5, and we will get that shape. So this is the net which we have made. You can see that if we write the measurement, it is 2, it is 4, it is 4, it is 2. Similarly, this is 4, this is 4, this is 2, this is 4, this is 4, this is 2, and you can see that this is 4 also. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4, this is 4, this is 4, this is 4, which that will fit together to make that shape. So this all is from this video. Thank you so much. This is IGCSE 0580 paper 2023 QP 13 question. We have to make the net of this triangular prism on 1 centimeter square grid. So it is done before you. Thank you for watching. Stay connected for more content on mathematics on IGCSE 0580 and 4024 O levels mathematics. Thank you so much. Until the next video, goodbye.